Did you know that nearly 50% of the population is lacking essential nutrients, and a plant-based diet can help? Crazy, right? This simple dietary shift could be the key to unlocking better health. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to enhance your health, increase your energy, and just feel better overall, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to easily incorporate nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals and see incredible benefits. So, let's get into it. Let's start by addressing some common misconceptions about plant-based diets. Many people worry that they won't get enough protein, iron, or vitamin B12 if they switch to a plant-based lifestyle. And I get it. These nutrients are super important for our bodies. Many plant-based foods are packed with these nutrients, and you can absolutely meet your needs without animal products. For instance, people often think that protein only comes from meat, but legumes, nuts, seeds, and even whole grains provide plenty of protein. Plus, iron can be found in foods like lentils, chickpeas, and dark leafy greens. And while vitamin B12 is trickier, there are fortified foods and supplements that can help. So, let's debunk those fears and show how a plant-based diet can actually be nutrient-rich. Now that we've tackled those misconceptions, let's explore some amazing plant-based foods loaded with essential nutrients. Here are the star players. Leafy greens, spinach and kale are great sources of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Throw some in your smoothies or salads for an easy nutrient boost. Legumes, beans, lentils, and peas are not only high in protein but also fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Perfect for soups and stews. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are fantastic sources of healthy fats and protein. Add them to oatmeal or as toppings on your yogurt. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide complex carbs along with essential minerals. They make for hearty and satisfying meals. The best part? You can mix and match these foods to create delicious meals that not only satisfy your taste buds but also boost your nutrient intake. Whether you're making a hearty chili or a refreshing salad, there are tons of options to enrich your diet. Let's take a moment to consider why boosting your nutrient intake with a plant-based diet is such a game changer. When you focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you're providing your body with a wealth of essential vitamins and minerals that it thrives on. Studies have shown that individuals who follow a plant-based diet tend to have lower levels of cholesterol, reduced risk of heart disease, and better management of weight. The benefits go beyond just numbers. A nutrient-rich diet can enhance mental clarity, improve mood, and increase energy levels, allowing you to live life more fully. A plant-based diet can be an incredible way to boost your nutrient intake and improve your overall health. Remember to load up on leafy greens, legumes, nuts, and whole grains for the best results. You can totally nourish your body without animal products, and it's really all about balance and variety. With these nutrient-packed foods, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite plant-based meals? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're interested in meal planning tips for a plant-based diet, don't forget to check the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.